Hey guys, welcome to Sparkling Nail Studio. Look what I finally have here. Mine took a tour through Kansas. It doesn't usually go to Kansas. And then it took like the normal route. So I got mine a few days after everyone else, I feel like. And I just have to. Hey, color play. We're not in Kansas anymore. Anyway, so I have July's Petals in Paradise Color Play Club subscription here. And I saw Color Streets mid-month. Spoiler, I always look at those. I don't remember what it was. I guess I wasn't super impressed or disappointed. It wasn't super memorable. I am very forgetful. I think I've seen a lot of these come across on nail feed groups already. I'm pretty sure. I would love to see some of this like bright pink orange ombre with gold over it. I'm craving like some good pink and gold. So we'll just see what we're. Okay, yeah, I have seen this. Oh, because that was the spoiler, wasn't it? Because I remember it reminded me of Pretty Poinsettia, and other people said that too. It's like just a different flower. It's got the color. It looks like Christmas to me. Anyway, put that aside. Got our standard extras there. 5 full sets. No big surprises there. Let's go ahead and we'll start with Plumeria Fantasy. Okay, pretty. A pink with. So we can take that off. A pink with, it looks like gold, but it like changes silver, gold and silver, metallic, round glitters and pink glitters. And then some smaller, looks like in the same colors. We've seen this kind of a color with a chunky glitter, different colored mix in it. It's pretty though. So yeah, Plumeria Fantasy. Let's set that there. And then we've got Palm Obsession. Okay, so pink with green. That's interesting, but very realistic leaves, very pretty. This reminds me of some set that we have. Very pretty glitter. It's got like the silver, it's like a holographic glitter, very fine and pretty, and then very realistic leaves. Definitely different, but I think I'll find something to do with it. I think in the right mani, kind of fun. Paradise Petal Tips. Okay, so French. Okay, so that's the one there. It's very pretty. It's white with a gold glitter is the background, it looks like. And some really fine glitters too that I think are holographic. I'm seeing a lot of sparkle there. And then up close, it looks less Christmassy, but from far away, the colors kind of. This would be fun for like a Christmas in July. Or, if you are someone who's going somewhere tropical for Christmas, that'd be super fun because it's got, I mean, it's orange and pink, but they kind of read red and green. I don't know. I wonder how that one will read on the manis I've seen. Just kind of remind me of Pretty Poinsettia. It obviously doesn't have the black background. Pretty Poinsettia has like black and white backgrounds and poinsettia, so green leaves with red. And then Lush Temptation. Ooh, is that a green? You don't see a lot of green with pink glitter. It's definitely different. Interesting. I don't know what to. Yeah, it's different than something we've seen before. So I don't know. I'm like trying to think, would that look good on me? I don't really know what looks good on me. I just wear what I like. There are some things though that just hit and you're like, oh, I just want every mani to be like this. Okay, and then we've got Coral Fever Dream. We all have those. Melfi's. Oh, pretty. Okay, pretty. So they're not gold per se, but it's almost like they did like it. This reminds me of. So I did a what's it called, junk journaling course that I won through my husband's. I participate in his wellness program through work, and I won I got a pick like an experience, and I ended up picking a course that they sent me all the supplies. Anyway, it was a junk journaling course, and they sent me like overlay stencils and then spray acrylic paint. And we did, anyway, it reminds me of that. It's kind of almost like, they spray painted, or you went and put on your sunblock in a flower pattern and then went and got a tan or whatever. It's kind of like almost like that negative space. But it definitely looks like some gold glitter. And this is pretty. This is very much like the box. So I would have been happy with like a bold gold, imprint over it, but this is very pretty too. So, okay, fun. This is fun. Yeah. And they're fun. I think they're fun for mixing and matching. You do have some variety. They're not all blue like last month. That's good. I wonder how they'll wear, if they'll give people problems like last month's have. But yeah, yeah, this is fun. Okay, so Color Play Club. Let's look at the pamphlet because I always like to look at that. So none of these read sheer per se for me. So Plumeria Fantasy is a glitter, candy pink glitter shade with multicolored sparkles, captures the heart of summer. Yeah, it's very summery. Candy pink glitter, yeah. Palm Obsession is a glitter design, lounge beneath the swaying trees with this semi-sheer rose champagne glitter shade with palm motifs. Okay, yeah, no surprises. Very pretty pink that's in the background of that. Just made me think of, what was the Monstera when they had like the hotel a couple summers ago, their summer collection. Paradise Petal Tips, dual-ended French glitter design. No surprises there. Wander through a petal-filled escape with these dual-ended French tips with glittery hibiscus motifs. Very fun. Oh, this would be fun. I remember my stylist did a Pacific Islander in May. It's their month. Pacific Islander, Native American, and I can't remember. Anyway, this would be perfect for it. I was looking for hibiscus flowers when I did that challenge. I think that was 2 years ago. Okay, and Lush Temptation. It's a glitter. Add undeniable allure with this matcha green glitter shade with green, rose gold, and holographic sparkles. It's like green, but it almost reads like a greeny gold. Grass gold. It's the new thing. It's like rose gold, but green. I don't know. Anyway, Coral Fever Dream is a glitter design. This coral and pink Aura Ombre. I need to learn that that's what that's called. So I'm like, it's got that. Glitter with palm and floral motifs is a fever dream on your fingertips. This is very pretty. I like that one a lot. So, and then they've only got one. Okay, the mood board. So they've got just one Nelfie there. Oh, and then here's our other Nelfies. That definitely reads green, I would say. They're very pretty. That, what is it called? Lush Parrot? No, Coral Fever Dream. Very pretty on. That's very just soft. Plumeria Fantasy. Oh, wow. And Palm Obsession, it reads like she's just got palms on her fingertips, the palm fronds and nothing, like it's an overlay or something, but it's clearly not, just because the pink goes with her skin tone. But anyway, yeah, this is fun. This is a fun box. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in with me. Let me know what you guys think of this one. I always love reading your comments, and I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.